English idioms, meanings and usage. It's raining cats and dogs. Meaning, it's raining very heavily. Example 1. We can't go for a walk, it's raining cats and dogs. Example 2. The game was canceled because it was raining cats and dogs. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck, especially before a performance. Example 1. You're going on stage, break a leg. Example 2. I know you're nervous about your interview, break a leg. Piece of cake. Meaning, very easy. Example 1. The test was a piece of cake. I finished it in no time. Example 2. Fixing the computer was a piece of cake for him. Hit the books. Meaning, to study hard. Example 1. I have to hit the books tonight. I have a big exam tomorrow. Example 2. If you want to pass the course, you'll need to hit the books. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret. Example 1. She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Example 2. Don't let the cat out of the bag, it's supposed to be a secret.